Next guest, let me tell you his story. On December the 13th, 1973, he was 27 years of age and a motor racing fanatic. And on that day, December 13th, 1973, he was on his way to work, wasn't he? Because as well as being a motor racing enthusiast, he had his own motor racing magazine. And he was going to work, and he drove off his normal route to a volcano in central France on his way to work. There he met, listen to me closely now, there he met some extraterrestrials in their spaceship on the side of the volcano. It's only a small volcano. And they told him that they had created humankind in laboratories, and they asked him to spread the word throughout the world about them. And they asked him to build an embassy on neutral territory so that they could come and visit the Earth, the people they had created, in peace. Now, in 1975, he met with the ETs again in a south-central region of France, and they took him with them to their planet, which is God knows how many light years away. I don't know how far it is. Let's have a welcome, please, for Claude Rael. They met you on the side of the road, Claude, did they, these guys?
Yes, it was. I was going to my office, like you said before, and I didn't know that was the day. This day will change my life.
And what do they look like?
They look like us because they created us in their image, like the Bible explained, and they are like us, a little bit smaller. They have large almond-shaped eyes, but they are like us. They are human like us.
And how many of them were there?
I met only one at the first encounter, and it was really for me an incredible day. It was the most fantastic day of my life.
When the next time you met them, in 1975 was it, you met them, and they took you with them to their...
Yes.
And when you got to their place of abode, their planet, what did you see there? Tell me about the people you saw and how they travel on the planet, and do they work, and are there children, all of those things.
Yes, I think to understand more about them, it's necessary first to resume the message they gave me, because if directly I describe the planet, maybe it looks a little bit funny. So it's necessary to understand these people came on the Earth a very long time ago. They built big laboratories, and in these laboratories, thanks to DNA and genetic combination, they created all life on Earth. It means trees, animals, and men in their image.
Us.
Yes, and the Bible describes what they did. You will say to me, but in the Bible it's written the first day God did that, the second day. But the Bible was written in Hebrew, and then translated from Hebrew in Greek, then from Greek to Latin, then from Latin to English. So in the beginning, the original Bible, you can find one very easily. It's not written the first day God did that, but the first day Elohim did that. The second day Elohim did that. And in Hebrew, Elohim means those who came from the sky.
We rarely use the term God with a big G. If we were to use that term, we would be referring to the entity we know as Prime Creator. All things are Prime Creator on Prime Creator's journey.